Welcome to Vibe Marketing and Vibe Coding. This is where strategy meets AI energy.
Hi there and welcome to another video, and this one's about vibe marketing, which is different than vibe coding. I'm going to give you examples of vibe coding and then come back and show you what vibe marketing is all about. The AI powered creativity that sells. So if we're going to talk about vibe coding, we'll go to Pete's Lab in our RBA Discord channel, which is extremely popular and absolutely killing it. These are all the AI bots that we've created that auto post to social media and get our content out there really well. I teach everyone in RBA how to use VS Code and RU Code, and both of them are free products. The only cost is connecting your Claude API, and it's minimal at best, the API costs. This is a tutorial how to set up RU Code and VS Code. Very simple. This video walks you through step by step. These are all private videos and documents to support. How to auto post to LinkedIn, how to auto post your content that is irresistible to AIs created by the RBA software, video tutorials. This just goes on forever. That's what vibe coding is, using AI to automate as much of your marketing process as possible. And then you'll get results like you see here, and these just go on. This is in the post your results here channel in Discord, and there are just incredible amount of success stories in there. So let's move on to vibe marketing. This is interesting here. This is how I created a website. It started off like this. If you look up here, you will see this is the prompt I used, and I created that prompt in ChatGPT to give to Gemini, because Gemini is amazing at creating websites. So I started with this version of the Profit Mesh website. It's pretty cool. This is all the content that ChatGPT came up with, because I built Profit Mesh inside ChatGPT, so it knows it perfectly. So that's where it came up with this content. And then I iterated on that previous one, and I went with the gold theme and put in a YouTube embed with that gold, whatever that's called. Oh, that's the second page. That's the thank you page. Somewhere here I iterated from this one to the gold one. There you go. So I changed that first one. The idea is you put your prompt into Gemini, and then you can iterate and just get it to change whatever parts you like to suit how you want it to look. And that turned into this site, made in ChatGPT, the prompt, and then created in Gemini. I just created a simple index file, which I put up to my host, and there you go. An absolutely stunning website, and this took 10-15 minutes. The thing about this AI stuff is you learn so much more about it every day. It's changing so rapidly, it's very difficult to keep up. But I was thinking the other day, or a couple of weeks ago, about the prompt I used when I upgraded GBP Dominator, because we upgraded that so it creates amazing content in relation to your niche for the projects that it does. And I thought about it. I thought I better review that those prompts that I used in our agents in GBP Dominator. So I did that last week, and I found ways to dramatically improve it. So we did, and that was server side. So GBP Dominator last week was updated with a massive update. It's producing much better content to be ingested by the AI models. So I'm going to re-release that, and I'll show you what we can do now with vibe marketing. So before we get to that, this is Google's VO3, which is amazing. And the same as before, I use ChatGPT to create the prompts to put into VO3. There's so many crossovers between vibe coding and vibe marketing. Through vibe coding, I learned how to produce the best JSON structured data. And as it turns out, that's exactly what VO3 videos love. If you want incredibly high detailed videos, you need to supply it structured data. So I found all the best prompts. I created a document with all the best structured data prompts that I could find, about 30 of them, and created this GPT. And using this GPT, this nuclear prompt is awesome. I created these. And that is amazing content. But I took it one step further. I opened that up to full screen, grabbed the last frame of that video because I really liked how it presented the different AIs here, and then I used that in the frames to video, so I could start the video off with the last frame of this video. So, and the good news about this, you have different options. This VO3 Fast is about 20 cents a video, which is incredibly cheap. And then when you go to download it, you have the option to upscale it. So I just make tons and tons of VO3 Fast videos, and if I like it, then I upscale it. It's very cool. So they don't use many credits whatsoever. I've got the ultra version, but even with the premium version, I think it's called, for 20-30 bucks a month, you get tons. And only 20 cents a video, you're laughing. So this was after a lot of iterations, and I'll show you others. I didn't like this one. These are all trying to get the message across about what Profit Mesh is. Creating tons of mini sites that create a mesh with your narrative in it that trains the models. I think this is probably the one I started with, that last frame from the previous video.
Meet Profit Mesh, not just software, but a sentient architect of influence in the age of AI.
Dude, seriously, how good is that? That is insane. So that's the last frame from the previous video, and then I added dialogue on top. Insane.
Meet Profit Mesh, not just software, but a sentient architect of influence in the age of AI.
And here you can see the prompt. That's the structured data that created that. Didn't like that one. Nice. Don't know about that one. Beautiful. And so I continued on until I was happy. You can see how many I made. It takes about a minute, and each time you update the prompt, it creates 2 videos for you. So then, getting back to GBP Dominator, after this massive AI update I did to it, I want to let people know. So I want to use VO3 to let people know about this new massive update, which I'm going to start emailing next week. So I thought, wow, I can use this to create an amazing marketing video, which is what vibe marketing is. And let's go through the progression. It's hilarious. Some of them.
GBP Dominator. Effortless domination of Google business profiles. GBP Dominator.
How good is that? So that was the first one I did.
GBP Dominator. Effortless domination of Google business profiles.
How
GBP Dominator. Effortless domination of Google business profile.
Like seriously, how good are these? And this is VO3, and Google has already announced that they're going to release a VO4 in about, I think it was 3 to 6 months, which is insane. A different variation.
Run. Dominate. It's that simple. Run. Dominate. It's that simple.
How good are these bloody videos, man?
Set up. Run. Dominate. It's that simple.
Damn. It gets better.
Set up. Run. Dominate. It's that simple.
That nice text overlay, GBP Dominator in one click. Beautiful. Now this one's just the whiteboard a bit closer.
Set up. Run. Dominate. It's that simple.
So this was the idea of having a cardboard box with GBP Dominator in it, similar to other prompts I've seen.
GBP Dominator. Rank your Google business profile without lifting a finger.
That was pretty average.
GBP Dominator. Rank your Google business profile without lifting a finger.
And then I remembered I completely forgot about Embedinator, which has received the update also. So I added that in the prompt.
GBP Dominator and Embedinator. Twin engines that launch your Google business profile into the spotlight. GBP Dominator and
You got to be happy with that.
GBP Dominator and Embedinator. Twin engines that launch your Google business profile into the spotlight.
Awesome. Maybe this one.
Set up. Run. Dominate. It's that simple.
Beautiful. And here's the oops. There's the structured data that created that video. There's a few more of these. So now I want to show you the next part, how to get yourself into a VO3 video. You go to ideogram and go to character. That's me there, sitting here exactly like I am now. You just click on camera, it loads your webcam, you snap a photo, and it will produce videos, images. So I just told it to put me in a scene. Actually, this will show you the standing in the center of an open office holding a large cardboard box that has my product name, GBP Dominator. So I used one of those images, and here we go.
GBP Dominator. Rank your Google business profile without lifting a finger. GBP Dominator.
These things are insane. It's so weird to see yourself.
GBP Dominator. Rank your Google business profile without lifting a finger. GBP Dominator. GBP Dominator. Rank your Google business profile without lifting a finger.
Nice. And so this one here, I think. So that one there was just me walking, so I combined it with one of these other ones to make this video. Me walking forward with the cardboard box.
GBP Dominator. Rank your Google business profile without lifting a finger.
Which is absolutely hilarious. I had to show it to my family and they all laughed. It's hilarious. I think that's a perfect intro video. People who know me will find it hilarious. People who don't know me probably won't even know that it's me. They'll just think it's some AI thing. So I'm going to wrap up this video now with a very, very quick tutorial. I'm in ideogram. I pulled up my face, put me in an office room, you'll see. So while that's doing that, normally this is a lightning fast website that produces images really fast. While it's doing that, I will show you this. This is getting back to vibe coding, where I have created this amazing agentic browser, which my RBA members will be getting access to once it's completed. And this is a browser that does anything you like. There are a couple of commercial browsers being released, but what they don't have and what this one will have is scheduling. Once you'll see these are my past my past prompts here. I will update this to add a scheduler, and then when you've got one working perfectly, it will be saved here, and you can pin it and then right click and schedule it to run every hour, every day, every month, whatever suits your purpose. I'll give you an example. Go to Bing Images and search for Pedro, the king of YouTube SEO, and start. That will bring up an external browser. There it is there. This is just for my testing. This won't be happening in the release version, but there it is there. And it also pops up inside the browser itself. Incredibly cool. And there is dialogue down here. This is what I call my Ava agentic browser. This is in beta. This is going to be amazing. By the way, this is what you would call enterprise level vibe coding. Okay, so it appears this site is broken, so I'm going to use another image. I'm going to go to the VO3 generator. I'm going to upload an image. That one will do. Let's go. Just to be sure, I'll attach it again. Yes. Say, do I want audio? And I go, yes. Yes. No. Now, this is where you tell VO3 who you're talking to exactly what you want in the video. I'll just say, so that's what I want. Now wait till you see what the structured data looks like. These AIs are so intelligent. You just give it this basic premise and it will work out the rest. So I copy that structured data, go back to flow, go to frames, upload image, use the same image that I fed it, crop and share, paste the structured data in there. And it's on VO3 fast also, which is good. And this is how long it takes. It only takes about a minute. While it's doing that, I'm going to go back to this GPT and say, now I need an intro video using this same image. The video is about vibe marketing and vibe coding. It's a welcome intro. It's a welcome short video. Go. So while that other one's doing that, I'll do the same here. Make an intro. Okay, so that's finished. Copy. Back here. Before I do that, I will just get this one running. There's that image. Paste that prompt in there. So let's see what happened with this one.
Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below to get the GPT.
Now let's check out this second one.
Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below to get the GPT.
Perfect. That's going to be my outro.
Thanks for watching, and leave a comment.
How cool is this? Honest to goodness. This is insane. So I'll just wait for this one to come up and see what the intro is like. And so far this has cost me 40 cents. And another 40 cents for the intro. While that's doing that, you can also download that video, put it in Camtasia or your favorite video editor, separate the audio, and then take that audio to, hang on, I'll see what this is like. This is the intro.
Welcome to Vibe Marketing and Vibe Coding. This is where strategy meets AI energy. Welcome to
Oh, very cool.
Welcome to Vibe Marketing and Vibe Coding. This is where strategy meets AI energy.
I love that. How cool is that? And it's got the close too. So what I was saying before is you can strip the audio from these videos and then come to 11 Labs, clone your own voice, and then there is a voice changer section where you can upload the audio from that video we just created and then swap it with your own voice, and then it will work perfect. So this would be my own voice. I'm not going to do that now, but it's very simple to do. It's a couple minutes work.
Vibe Market.
I love this one.
Welcome to Vibe Marketing and Vibe Coding. This is where strategy meets AI energy.
Very, very cool. And I could do the same with the audio with this one too.
GBP Dominator. Rank your Google business profile without lifting a finger. GBP.
That's hilarious. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like access to my GPT, where you can create videos like this for free, make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video, and drop a comment below, and I will personally deliver it to you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below to get the GPT.